It always seems like it gets cold and rainy on Memorial Day weekend, and then boom, summer. Finally here, friends. It's muffler day. It's raining, so you're like, what are you doing riding your motorcycle? That's right, I'm going to get the mufflers put on. So I've got the midlife crisis in rain mode. You could really tell how much power it pulls away. But I'd rather be safe than sorry. I don't know what happened, man. I woke up yesterday. I had a sore throat. My eyes are running. And I'm allergic to everything. Dogs, cats, mold, dust, ragweed. You name it. But oddly enough, I was able to have a dog for 14 years. I had a Boston Terrier. Come to find out, I was allergic to the dander, and short-haired dogs like Bella, you know, pit bulls, Frenchies, Boston Terriers, like what Bella was. I do miss my dog, man. I was thinking of adopting, but with this job, I'm gone 12 hours a day, and I don't want to leave my little buddy alone for that long. You know, that's your best friend. Yeah, lucky us, we're coming down 9W, and you have the elusive spandex Spartan in his natural breeding zone. Out in the middle of the road, hunched over, not moving, holding up traffic. Take your ass over to the right, son. Like I said, it is Memorial Day weekend. Don't forget to thank a vet for their service. I watched the last episode of The Boys last night, and I won't give away any spoilers. And if you're not watching this show, there's 5 seasons. It's a fantastic show on Amazon Prime. You won't believe the things that happen. But the finale was pretty damn good. I'm not gonna lie. But if you haven't checked it out, like I said, all 5 seasons are up. What a show. Keep in mind the speed limit is merely a suggestion. Yeah, look at this view, huh? Kind of glad I can't smell anything being I'm behind this horse trailer here. Alright, so let's do this, because I'm not gonna bore you with things you've seen already. I'll bring you back on 9W when the mufflers are on and you can hear the new sound, hopefully. And here they are, installed. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, so I lied. I know I said it'd be 9W on the way home, but it poured on me. So the exhaust is on, and exhaust, I mean the 2 mufflers. Let's hear how she sounds. Oh, that sounds good. That sounds real good. That sounds like money well spent, partner. A little windy today. I'll do my best to edit out the wind noise. I believe I have the helmet taped off pretty good, which is why I'm a little concerned that I might not get to hear what I'm hearing with this exhaust. But yeah, I'm very happy, very happy. I'm gonna take a rip around Teterboro Airport, go over to Cycle Gear and get a pin lock, because this Scorpion helmet fogs up pretty good, and I can imagine that's mine doing with taping off the vents. So nice to work all week and then be stressed out in traffic on the weekends. I'm so psyched. And would you look at that, the next light is red. New Jersey and you singing at red lights together. The hell does that license plate say? Quebec. Yeah, I don't know what that says. Not even gonna try and pronounce it. Look, they're in the I'm gonna get ahead of you quicker line. Oh, look at that. He got one car ahead. That's the lane for God's special people, friends. I swear Route 17 is like Route 4's little step cousin. As far as just being an epic disaster at all times. All times, friends. All times. Let's go. We're here. Cycle gear. Bro, this wind sucks. Let's see if Numbnuts here pulls in front of me. All in all, like with the exhaust, in and out of cycle gear, always get good help here, man. Friggin' great place. They were awesome with COVID too. It was nice to be able to still get stuff. But the video after this, I promise, is gonna be a food ride. Drop my videos Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. I hope you'll come back again and check out a video too. Appreciate you guys.